Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID 360, and welcome to Wednesday's Wirings. Have you ever been told something about yourself that you look at the person and you're thinking, why are you telling me that? What is your outcome? Or a person says, I want to give you some advice, and then they just give you the advice, and you're like, where is this coming from? Or they say something offensive, and you say to yourself, that's so offensive. And then not only do you sit with that and you think about it, but you think about it over and over. So I just want to talk about that for a few minutes because I have had a huge aha with this, which are a couple of things. First of all, if someone says something offensive, it's amazing how like they say it, we feel it, and then we keep thinking about it over and over. So we keep allowing it to be a repeat offender. And there's no reason. And so if someone says something that they felt a need to say, why do we keep getting upset about it? So that's one thing I want to just put to you, that don't let repeat offenders keep coming in. Hear it, see it, let it go. It's all on them, which is my second aha, which is it's about them. And they feel like they have something valuable to share. So the question is, do you value their opinion enough that you want them to share it? Or do you not? And if you do, dig a little deeper, get curious, find out more. And if you don't, then let it go. But don't let it continue being a repeat offender either way. Just some ahas I had. Hopefully, it'll help you today. Get curious. Have the very best day.